follow 2br. In that, now we are going to create this file is available with everyone. Which one? Example 3. It should be there in the folder. I have shared you in that folder. It will be there. Now come write a division. Write the next row. There we can follow a division. Inside this, we are going to make total 4 equal columns. 4 equal columns. So if you want to create 4 equal columns, total number of columns, how many we have? Total we have 12 columns. Now 12 column we are going to divide into 4 parts. Total column we are going to divide into 4 parts. So it will be 4333, right? Call hyphen class equal to call hyphen lg hyphen 3. Why 3? Because total we have 12 and we want to break into how many columns? 4 columns. 12 divided by 4. So we'll get as how many? 3. So call lg 3, call lg 3, call lg 3, call lg 3. Keep this is 4 times and under each division follow some text. Equal text. You will find 4 column will be ready. Okay, hope ready. So how many column we created? 4 column. Now keep equal text in all. Keep equal text 4. Here also same text. Here also keep the same text. Here also keep the same text. So your page will be, row will be divided into 4 columns and number of columns will be 4 and content will be equal. Check once. Call LG, learn one by one. We are learning as of now LG. We'll learn all. SMMD, everything I'll teach you. But first get idea on where LG. Okay, hope ready. Now create one more row and Create one more row. So this 4 column came.
Yes, sir.
Now create one more row, and in that row create total 3 columns. Create one more row, in that you create total 3 columns. Black is not coming. Color printer we have it. Okay, then what you do is, how many pages are there? 3. The upper letter we given. So that will come, no? Okay. Print this one. Which one? The payslip. The email. Forward the soft copy. Even they need to forward. So soft copy we can send. Created. What we follow? Which class we follow? College. College. Which one we follow? If you want 12, divide into how many blocks? 12 you want to divide into 3, what you will follow? Definitely will follow the 4, correct? So you have to write here, call LG, how many? 4, 4, and then again 4. Call LG 4, 4, 4, correct? Call LG 4, 4, 4. So it will create total how many blocks? 3 blocks. Please check once.
You have that correct? Yes. Yes.
Okay, so hope you are able to print how many? 3 in one line, right? Next, suppose if you want to create 2 columns in one line, what will come? 6 and 6 equal will come. See, always we have to remember a row is going to produce total 12 columns. In that 12 column, what is your requirement? Available is 12. Total available is 12. Now, how many you want to create? Okay, if it is a equal, even number, then no problem. 12 divided by number of block, you will get it easily. If it is non-equal, then we have to think more. Okay, so as of now, what you created all are equal only. Okay, so let's keep 2 more, 6 and 6. Division class equal to row. Inside the row, we can write next call 6 and 6. 6 and 6. So hope it is coming. 6 and 6. If you want to create the total, if you want to cover the total width, then what you will follow? If you want to create only one column, now you created 2 columns, so you follow 6 and 6. If you want to create only one column, then what will follow? 12 definitely. Let's go create a row. Create another row. There you follow as a 12. Hope it is working. Create a row, put inside college 12, write some text data. Okay, hope you created a column with how many, a row with how many columns? Only one. Call LG12. Right, so let's come ahead next. Come to your developer guide. So 1 to 12, we got some idea. So every time the page structure will be like this. Inside the body tag, which tag you will follow? Container or container float. Under container float, which tag will follow? Will follow the row. Inside the row, what will follow? Inside the row, we will follow the columns. Correct? Columns. How many columns? 1 to 12. Okay, minimum 1 and maximum as a 12. If you follow minimum 1, then call LG 12. Maximum, that depends how you are making. Right, so hope you written. Next, after that, inside the bootstrap, we'll remember always, inside the body, you are not going to write anything directly. Inside body, which will come? There must be container class. And under container class, there must be row class. Under the row, there must be column. Inside the column, only you keep your content. Without column, will not keep the contents. Okay. Now let's go next. Let's go next. What you are going to do is, you will come to the next file that is called inside that. Let's go call the bootstrap file again. Till body, you can copy from previous example. Example 4.html file. You can create next file example 4.html. Inside that, we have to use the body, and inside the body, we can use the HTML, right? Under that, we can follow the which one? Division. Class as a container. Next, division. Class as a row. Correct. So you should write a comment called row end here. Row end here. Row end here. Right, inside this row we want to display total 4 columns, and in each column we will display the photo. Total how many columns? 4 columns, and in each column one photo. So first create a division. Class equal to call hyphen lg hyphen call hyphen lg hyphen 3. Inside 3 display one img tag, and src equal to 1.jpg, src equal to 1.jpg. So now after that, this image is under the control or out of the control? We have photo in current folder. In current folder there should be photo. Which folder? Bootstrap folder. In Bootstrap folder you can keep one photo, 3-4 photo you keep, rename as a 1 2 3 4. Right, so photo is coming big size photo or a small photo? Big size photo, it will come such a big. Okay, so Bootstrap has given the class to control the height and width of the photo. What is that class? Class name is class equal to img hyphen load. img load. img load is the name of the class. Check now, image will be under the control of the call lg3. According to call lg3, your image will be resized. According to call lg3, image will be resized. Check now, image got resized. According to call lg3, before container you can give one br. We have classes for margin padding. We are not going to write a lot of BR. We have classes for that. But now write a BR before container. Your photo will leave some space from top. Photo will leave some space from the top. Ready? So got some space from top. It should look like this. Some space got applied from the top. Now how much you are given? College 3. Change to college 5 and see photo is getting resized or not. College 3 will replace to college 5. Photo got resized. Yes, that is because of this class. Which class? IMG fluid class. IMG fluid will take the width as 100%. 100% of parent. So now suppose this IMG tag is under the college 3. So what will be the college 3 width? 25%. So this image will take 25% now. 25% of the screen. Okay. Now if we'll make it 6, college 6, then how much will happen? Image will take the 50% of the width. So photo will also become 50%. Call LG3 let it be and repeat this 4 times. 1.jpg, 2.jpg, 3.jpg, 4.jpg. Call LG333, repeat total 4 times. Ready? Check now. Total 4 photo in one line. Now, with follow the college this class IMG float. In each column, see college 3, 3, 3, 3. That should not be different column. Hmm? Size width, height will be different because your photo is of different height. Bootstrap will not control the height. Bootstrap will control only width. Yes. Okay, hope ready. So this row is end. Let's go. Create another row. You can follow BR again. Maybe one BR or maybe two BR. Come down after that. Division class equal to row. Inside the row, you follow a division class equal to call LG3. No, call LG4. LG-4 and display here again one photo. So call LG4, call LG4. How many times it will come? 3 times it will come. So it will display total 3 photo in one line. Let's do that. Call LG4, call LG4. Repeat 3 times. Okay, so hope ready. Linked how many photos? 3 photo. Three, right? Now create a row and display 6 photo in one line. Create a row and display total how many photos? 6 photos in one line. Hmm. Hmm. LG, you based on LG learn something. I will guide you. Mobile phone also, SM also, MD also, Excel also, double Excel also. But first we need to get idea on which one? One device. We have a lot of classes. So implement the classes based on LG size. If you are okay with LG, then in one example, you will understand automatically how to use all the classes. It is simple to use. Just we need to first get idea on list of classes. Displayed how many? 6. Okay. Hmm. The width is 100%. For image fluid class width is 100%. So 100% of the parent element. Now suppose column, look at here. This image you call where? Under the call LG3. The call LG3 become the parent of image tag. Now total width of call LG3 will go to the image. Why? Because we follow the class called IMG fluid, and under the IMG fluid is written width 100%. So 100% of current area it will take. Okay. So hope we displayed how many photos? 6 photos displayed. Which column you follow? All LG 2, 2, 2, 2. How many times? 6 times. Call LG 2, call LG 2, call LG 2, call LG 2, 2 and 2. We will follow total 6 times. After that, automatically it will display the list of photos in one line. Let's go ahead and check once. Hello. Hello. Where I don't need as of now, brother. Thank you. Hope ready. So total how many? 6 are coming in one line. Okay, we have some more classes we can apply and we'll understand what is happening. Okay, so go to the middle row. Inside the middle row, sometime you want image with the some kind of border, right? Some radius. So there is a class called rounded. 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 Check now, rounded class, what it says. Little curve will get applied, radius, a small radius. We have one more class, rounded hyphen circle. We have one more class, img thumbnail, img hyphen thumbnail, and then check. All three will have a different kind of a small look. Hope you are checking. Little curve, more radius, and here call border will get apply little from all the side. So these all are the classes for image. IMG fluid, rounded we can apply anywhere. Circle also we can apply other places. IMG circle. Okay. IMG thumbnail also we can apply other place. Multiple class you have to give a space. More than one class you need to give with a space. If you merge both, that space will make class meaningless class. So more than one class if you are using, you have to give the space. Okay, so hope ready. Now let's come to developer guide. Yes, now you can reply in chat. Working, not working. That's it. Working. Go to developer guide. In developer guide, write a classes for image. What are those? IMG load. Next IMG thumbnail. Next rounded. Next after that rounded circle. Rounded circle. Okay, so we added these classes. Let's go next. Next class is for which one? Margin and padding. Okay, but margin padding maybe we can see after some example. Right, next class for table. classes for table. One we have called table class. Next we have called table hyphen order class. Next we have table hyphen sm class. Next we have table hyphen hover class. Next we have table hyphen striped class. So these all are the classes we have. In Bootstrap, we have only list of classes that we need to remember. And according to design, we need to call the classes and use it. Hmm? CSS, you remember, no? We have learned CSS. So we will be next JavaScript will come there. We will be combining all. Sometime using CSS, sometime using Bootstrap. React will come there. Also, you have which one? CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, everything will come. So now you are using this Bootstrap. Inside the Bootstrap, what we have? You have the classes that is written under the CSS and HTML file you are creating. It is the HTML. Three things is mixing or not? HTML, CSS, and then which one? Bootstrap also. Your Bootstrap is nothing but the CSS file. This classes, what you are calling, these classes are from where? It is from there only, from the Bootstrap file. Hmm. You can create separate file also, or you can use the same file also. In the same file also, you can write in the last CSS code. We can write in the same file also. Okay. Okay. Go next. Bootstrap also we can write in CSS file. What is the meaning of that? The Bootstrap is already CSS file. If you want to add your own CSS, you can go to this CSS file. You can add bootstrap.css. If you don't want to add in that, create your own CSS file and add in that. Both the file you call here. One through link you are calling the bootstrap.css. You can call one more file. Both will come together. Okay. Okay. So next file. Let's go for next. Create the file called table.html. Till container you can copy from this file. Okay, so next file is example 5 or something else. Example 5.html. Let's go ahead. Body then HTML. Now come inside, follow a division, class equal to container. Container already we have. We need to follow the row class. Inside the row class, create a column of 3 and 9. Division class equal to call hyphen lg hyphen 3. Not call lg 9. Okay, inside the 9, let's keep one h2. Inside write bootstrap table example. Bootstrap table example. Open a table, close the table. Write t head, not t head, tr directly you can add. Th you can add. Item index or item number. Item name, price, quantity, item number, item name, item price, quantity, then something. Okay, so this is the table. Now write a tr here. For that, add a td, item number 1, item name laptop, next td, item price, rupees 500, next td, item quantity, laptop will be not 5,000, 50,000. Quantity 1, the total also as a 50,000 only. You will add one more item. After that, we can run the page. Mobile 20,000, unit 2 will become 40,000. Okay, hope ready. Check now this file. It will be simple table with no any better design. Simple table with no any other design. Now for this we have to write the CSS. CSS is already there. We need to call the class. So first call the class called table. Class equal to table only. Class name is table. Table will become width how much? 100%. Table become 100% width. Now in that we have other classes also. Let's apply here. Table hyphen BORDERED. Bordered. Table is the main class. It should have one more class called table bordered. Added table bordered. Check now. Border will get applied from all the side. Inside also, outside also, everywhere. Only border will apply the border in the bottom. Only table will get apply the border in the bottom. Every TR will have border in the bottom. If you apply the table bordered, then border will get applied from all the side. Next come after this. This table you copy, complete table to table you copy and paste after this table. You can give to BR and then paste it. BR, and then paste after this. Same table. Same table copy paste done. Now after that, table bordered you remove. Right? Table STRIPED. Table bordered you remove and give table STRIPED. The strip you wrote, you will find lining will come automatically. Alternate color got apply. Gray, white. That is called a strip. Automatically different color will get applied. You can add one more item and then check. It will look more better. Item, we have two item only. Add one more TR and then check. So 100 rupees kg. 3 kg. 300. Save it and check once. So lining is coming automatically. Let's go next. Okay. Hello. Hello. किसके रिगार्डिंग क्या होता है वो? हम तो लेकिन हम तो किसी का एम्प्लॉय नहीं है. Okay, check now. You got how many? 3, 4, right? That is called table strip. Come down. After that, we have one more called table SM. Copy the same last table, including BR, and paste after this. After table, paste here and say like table SM. Table space table hyphen SM and table hyphen over. Table hyphen over. Written table height will be little less height, and when you move the mouse on that, lining will appear. Hover CSS, we have learned something that hover will get applied here. So when you want to display the data in table, you can use this class. That is called hover also, SM also, table also, many more are there. Now in all three table, apply a class called shadow, SHADOW, shadow. It will change the look and feel of the table. Shadow. At end, apply a class called shadow, SHADOW, shadow. Apply a class called shadow in the table. Shadow, apply all three places. Happening. Shadow, change the look little. the appearance of the table will get changed. That is also this shadow class you can apply anywhere. It is not only for table, for image also, for button also, for text box, wherever you want, you can apply the shadow. A rounded class we have written today, rounded. That also we can apply anywhere. Rounded circle we have written, that also we can apply anywhere. Wherever you want to make circle shape, you can apply that. Where you want to apply the this shadow, you can apply the shadow class. So this is ready-made CSS. Okay, these classes are ready-made class. In which file? Bootstrap.css. And using that, we can make perfect page where look and feel will become awesome. Hmm. Table SM will reduce the padding of TD. See in the browser. See here. Last table. Inside the TD, there is a less space. But before that, there is a more space. So how the space will come inside? Using the padding. Padding apply the space inside. So, table SM you have called. In table SM, there will be less padding. In the table SM, there will be less padding. Okay, so let's come to the 3 now. 3 is pending, 9 we have completed. Inside the 3, you will display the 1 photo, 2 photo, 4, 5 photo you are going to display. Okay, so let's go here, write the img src equal to 1 dot jpg and class equal to img load. img hyphen fluid load. Okay, ready? After that, check now. 1 photo is coming in the 3. You can apply this class. Which class? Rounded class and shadow class. Rounded class and shadow class both you can apply. Rounded and shadow. Hello. Just a minute. Yes. We select how many photos? You have given some BR or without BR? Some space we given. Space we need to give, no? Without space, BR will not come. Suppose I added 3 photo. 3 photo I added here. In that one BR, if I use here, then it will give some better space. It will look perfect also. Three are coming. One BR is not sufficient. Double BR. Double BR you can apply and check. Double BR is coming. Shadow is applying here for the photos also. That increase the shining of photo. Okay, so without writing any line of CSS code, page become perfect page. Right? If you mix all the classes, then definitely it will work in all the devices. Okay, if you mix all the classes, then it will work in all the devices. Okay, right. Next, go ahead. Next, we can create. So this table classes and image classes we are written in developer guide. Shadow we have not written. We can write here a separate class. Shadow. That will help you to apply the shadow everywhere. Wherever we want, we can apply the shadow using the shadow class. Next, I will share you the 50 class name for the margin and padding. Like you can see, as of now, you are writing the BR. If you need a space, we are writing as a BR. But in Bootstrap, there is no place of BR. In Bootstrap, there is a classes are exist already for margin and padding. Okay, margin top, right, left, bottom, everywhere. So we have nearly 50 class names are there. So that if you come in the Zoom chat, I will share you. You can get from there directly. Let me come to the. Are you in the Zoom chat? This you can't write also. If you can write, then you can write also the list of classes. Bootstrap. 50 class names are there. This one. For margin and padding, these classes. See, this is the for margin and padding especially. I will share you this list of the classes in the chat also. You log in, I'll send again. In laptop, we need to log in.
Recording in progress.
Volume you can keep 0. This one. Volume again. Keep 0. You can click on that volume and keep 0. Okay, so hope you got it. Shall I share again? Let me share you again. Okay, go ahead and understand this. What is that 50 classes? See, for margin, we have different type of measurement. Pixel we have. So there is one class, there is one measurement called REM. One REM equal to 16 pixel. One REM equal to 16 pixel. Now look down. It is written here. It is written here. Written here called 1 REM, not 1 REM. When we write 0.25, 0.25 REM, that will represent the 4 pixel. So 0.25 REM we are not going to write. We are going to write number 1. Number 1 will represent the 4 pixel. Number 2 will represent the 8 pixel. Number 3 will represent the 16 pixel. 4 will represent 24 pixel. And 5 will represent the how much? 48 pixel. So here one chart. Okay. Coming down. Next, we have a combination of M for margin, P for padding, T for top, B for bottom, L for left, R for right. So you got how many combinations? Margin, padding, top, left, right, and bottom. So M, P, T, B, L, and R. And here how many? 1 to 5. Now we are going to generate the combination. Look at here. When we write M, M will represent the margin. M will represent the margin. And 1 will represent how much? So it will say margin 4 pixel where? All the side. When you say M hyphen 2, it represent margin 2. 2 means 8. It will say 8 pixel where? All the side. Come down in below. M hyphen 1. So that is what are? Margin 4 pixel. M hyphen 2, margin 8 pixel. M hyphen 3, 16 pixel. M hyphen 4, 24 pixel. M hyphen 5, 48 pixel. That is for all the side. Okay. Now sometime what will happen? We need a space only from left side. We need a space from right side. We need a space from bottom. We need a space from top. So look at there. ML. Now margin left hyphen 1 means how much? Margin left 4 pixels. ML2 margin left 8 pixels. ML3 margin left 16 pixels. ML4 margin left 24 and 48, correct? Similar way, what we have? Empty for margin top. Similar way, we have MB for margin bottom, right? Now, you want to give the space on the top, then what will follow? Empty. If you want to give a space in the bottom, then MB. No need of the BR. BR not required now. MT, MB both we can manage. ML, MR both we can manage. 1 pixel to till 48 pixel. Look down. That is for the space outside. In CSS, we have a study padding. So look there. P-1 means padding 4 pixel all the side. P-2 padding 8 pixel all the side. Similar way, P3, P4, P5. Like padding how much? 48 pixel maximum all the side. Okay. Next, there can be padding left also. So PL padding left, PR padding right, PT padding top, PB padding bottom. Now how much? 4 pixel, then 1, 8 pixel, then 2, 16 pixel, then 3, 24 pixel means 4, and 48 pixel means the sense 5. So this 50 classes is going to help you not to write anywhere BR, whether inside or outside, left or right, anywhere. Even no need to write the CSS also. Using this, you can manage everything. Okay, like this, there is a lot of classes. In getbootstrap.com website, we need to go. We need to click on documentation and utility class. Under the utility class, this all will come. Margin, padding, color combination, and many more. Okay. So next we will be combining this all the classes and we will be implementing inside the table. Okay. Now look at here. Hope we clear. MR means how much? MR5. What is that? Margin right? 48 pixel. ML4 margin left 24. MT3 margin top 16. MB2 margin bottom 8 pixel. Correct? Okay. So if material will be available, then only proper output will come. If there is no material, then output will not come definitely. Ready? Go ahead then. Come to this file, example 5.html. After image, what you have written? BR you have written. In example 5, after image you have written the BR. After ing tag BR you have written, right? No need to write the BR. Remove BR and apply the classes here. Call MB in the first one. MB5. Second, also apply the MB5. Right? So margin bottom 48, margin bottom 48. Check this class works or not. Coming. Check now. So 48 pixel, sufficient space got applied. No need of the BR. Look into the same file. Before container, you have written a BR. Right? Remove that. Apply here MT4. MT4 margin top 24 pixel and check once happening or not. Okay, hope ready. Study video, I have uploaded last video in the channel. Hope you can see from there. You need class name? This class name, right? I will share you again. See, along with this class, you can follow some more videos also from YouTube. Lot of people have made the video. From there also we can get the knowledge. So knowledge will come from which source, no matter, just knowledge should come. Okay. Okay, then see you tomorrow again. Tomorrow we'll create some pages and then I'll give you the assignment. After tomorrow class,